Hello, I am Ichi Nduka. Welcome to African Natives Tales by Ichi Nduka. Stories and myths have always been a part of the lives of the Igbo people of Africa, guiding us and teaching us lessons. Some myths are older than we realize, passed down through generations to help us make sense of the world around us. Today we will be looking at another myth popular among the Igbo people, the myth of Ekwensu and the fallen food. In many Igbo households, there's a myth about food that has fallen to the ground. It goes like this: if food touches the earth, it's immediately tasted by Ekwensu, an Igbo god. Ekwensu, often misunderstood and misrepresented, is said to claim the food that falls to the ground. The myth warns that if you pick it up and eat it, you'll attract Ekwensu's chaotic influence and wrath. This myth, often told to children, is designed to discourage them from picking up food that has touched the ground, even if it fell from their hands, as it can pose health implications from bacterial and parasite contamination. But what exactly is Ekwensu? To understand this myth, we need to take a closer look at Ekwensu. For many, Ekwensu is wrongly seen as the Igbo equivalent of Satan, a being of pure evil. But this is a misconception. Ekwensu is, in fact, an important deity in Igbo culture. He is a god of war and, yes, a trickster. As a trickster, Ekwensu is known for his cleverness and ability to create chaos, but he is not inherently evil. Rather, he represents the unpredictable nature of life, the challenges we must navigate. He's not the devil. He's a force of nature, representing both challenge and opportunity. Going back to the myth, it seems clear that the story of Ekwensu and the fallen food was never truly about the deity himself. It was a smart way of discouraging children from eating food that's fallen on the ground, something that's simply not hygienic and unhealthy. The myth of Ekwensu and the edibles was a way to remind children to be mindful of cleanliness and respect for food, values that are still important today. Ultimately, the myth of Ekwensu and the fallen food is more about teaching us food hygiene, respect for the earth, and respect for the traditions that help guide us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more timeless stories from our rich African heritage. Because in every myth, there's a lesson we can all learn.